Hi there, this is Patrick, Reclaim's co-founder. I'm excited to introduce you to the newest feature in Reclaim, out-of-office calendars, available for business and enterprise editions of Reclaim. Let's jump into it. You'll find the setting under Team, right here, and out-of-office calendars. Before I go any further, let's talk about what out-of-office calendars are. They're simply a place for Reclaim to automatically track out-of-office events on you and your coworkers' calendars and put new events on this shared calendar so that everybody who's looking at it can be aware of and keep track of who's in or out of office on any given day. It's as simple as that. Let's see how to set one up. The first step is to make sure you have a new out of office calendar that you and your colleagues can use. You could use a pre-existing one or just make a new one. I'll go ahead and create a new one. I'm going to call this one Demo Out of Office Calendar. And in a moment, what I'll do next is configure it so that it is available and accessible to two of my teammates. I'm going to make both Henry, my co-founder, and Elizabeth participants in this out-of-office calendar. And I'm going to do that by clicking Add People and Groups. And by the way, this works in both Microsoft and Google. I'm demoing Google here. Okay, let's start with Henry. And let's add Elizabeth. Okay, next, I want to make sure that they can write to the calendar. That's very important. By writing to the calendar, that's the signal to Reclaim that they should participate in the out-of-office calendar. I should also note that you don't have to share this calendar with individual people. If you share it with a group that you have set up, Reclaim will automatically look at the Google groups, see who the members are, and make sure that they're configured properly for that out-of-office calendar. Okay, so I've now set this up, enabled Henry and Elizabeth both to participate in that out-of-office calendar, and now let's just come back here and configure it. So I'm an administrator in this account, and so I can click Add a Calendar. Under here over Settings, you can also elect to allow anyone in the Reclaim team to make out-of-office calendars. This is your choice. Admins can always do it, but if admins enable this setting right here, what it will do is it will allow other people to self-service and create their own out-of-office calendars. These other two settings allow you to further fine-tune it as an administrator for all out-of-office calendars that are set up. All-day busy events means in addition to normal out-of-office calendar events, since those are two different ways you can block availability on a calendar, and timed all-day events to all-day events. What that means is if you are out of office for only a few hours, should that appear on the out-of-office calendar at that exact time, or should be presented up above in the all-day events section of Google Calendar? You'll see how this works in just a moment. Okay, so let's finish the setup. I'm going to go ahead and call this a Demo Out-of-Office Calendar. I'm going to set it up for myself as the owner. If you don't pick yourself as the owner, then you will be picking someone else that you're nominating to be the owner, and they'll have to finish this step and link the calendar. Lastly, I will pick the calendar here, in this case, the Demo Out-of-Office Calendar, and click Create. Okay, so now it's getting set up. And what's happening behind the scenes is Reclaim is automatically checking who can participate in that calendar and who has a Reclaim account. In this case, Henry and Elizabeth both already have a Reclaim account here, and so they're automatically active and participating in that out-of-office calendar. Let's go back and see it in action. So I'm going to come back over here. I've got the Demo Out-of-Office Calendar showing, and now I'm going to go ahead and make myself out of office on Saturday and Sunday this week. So let's go ahead and look, just so we can really see it. I'm going to make, well, to start, I'll do out of office just for a few hours. I'm planning to be on call this weekend, but I also am going to be on a flight. And so I want to make sure that people understand I'm going to be totally unavailable for being on call during this period of time. And so what we'll see in just a moment is that this event will be reflected on this new Demo Out-of-Office Calendar. And there it is. As you can see, it's now presenting itself as an event up across the top, has my name and the times that I will be out of the office. So now you and your team can go to one central place to see who is in or out of office on any given day, and even individual times when they plan to be unavailable. That's it. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks again for being a Reclaim customer.